Okay, we'll solve the second problem now. So everyone can see this slide, right? Yes. Can somebody please
Yes,
tell
sir.
me? Yes. Okay. You are trying, right? So how exactly we need to draw the network diagram now? Yes. Just try it once and just present that. I can check it. Once if you finish, please you can say that you have finished so that I can come back and I can check. Sorry. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is finished? Shashank, just you can click that pic and you can send or you can share those things. Okay. So just I will solve that. Just you cross verify with your network diagram. The first condition it starts with 1 to 2, right? So this one I can write in this way, that is 1 to 2. Compulsorily you need to put arrow mark and durations they have given as 10 days. Okay, the first condition is satisfied. And second one is 1 to 3, so I can write 1 to 3 in this way. Okay, and then duration will be 20 here. And next 3 to 4. So here 3 to 4 I can make in this way, that is 3 to 4. The duration they have given as 8. Okay, and next activity, that is 3 to sorry 4 to 6, that is this one I can write in this way, that is 4 to 6. The total duration for 4 to 6 is 10 days. Okay, and next 3 to 5, 4 to 6 is over, then 3 to 5 I can write in this way, that is 3 to 5. Total durations for 3 to 5 will be 12. Okay, and next 6 to 7, so I can make 6 to 7 in this way. It is 6 to 7, the total duration is 8. Okay, 6 to 7 is 8. Now remaining is 5 to 7. This is 7, right? So 5 to 7 I can join in this way, so the total duration is 6 here. So see here, as per the conditions we got by here, right? So as per the conditions, till now we have did it. But as per the rules and regulations of a network diagram, where it is. Okay. So only one node it should be there at the end start, and only one node it should be there at the end. Okay. So here we got one more node, that is 2, and here we got one more node, that is 7. We got two nodes. So just we are providing dummy activities for this 2 to 7, and I can make this network diagram as complete. Okay. So here I can provide dummy activity for 2 to 7, because might be you can ask, sir, why we not given 2 to 4 and 2 to 6? Because whenever you will provide 2 to 7, it won't disturb any conditions. Okay, because in some cases might be this activity 4 to 6 will be having predecessor activity as 3 to 4 and all. So that time, if you join it by here 2 to 4, that condition it won't get satisfied. So to change that particular part, we are giving directly to the last activity for that 7, 2 to 7, and then we are solving this problem. Okay, so here after providing this dummy activity, we'll get only one node at the end part. Okay, and only one node at the start. Clear? And as I told, this dummy activity, as name only indicates, that nowhere this part will be there with respect to duration and resources. Okay, so this dummy activity, the duration will be 0, and it can be denoted by in this way: 0 plus, two holes, one below the other, and duration will be 0 here, right? So now that activity list is not given, so no need to provide this particular part. I'm going to delete that. Only duration I am going to write. Okay, so for this dummy activity, I can write duration as 0. Okay, so till now it's understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now again the procedure is similar. What you need to do? You need to put a box for each and every nodes. Clear? And and before that, you need to find out different paths here. So how many different paths will be there? First 1 to 2. From top will come 1 to 2, and then 2 to 7. Clear? The first path from top 1 to 2 and 2 to 7. Even though if it is a dummy activity, you need to consider that one as a path. Okay? So 1 to 2 and 2 to 7. And second one is, can someone please?
1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 7.
Very good. 4 to 6, 6 to 7. Okay, and last one is at the bottom, that is 1 to 3, 3 to 5, and 5 to 7. Okay, now here 1 to 2 will be 10, and 2 to 7 will be 0. It is 10, and then 1 to 3 it is 20, 3 to 4 it is 8, plus 10 plus 8.
46.
Very good. 46. And third one, okay, it is 20 plus 12 plus 6.
38.
Very good, 38. So in this, we need to select the maximum one, that is 46, that is your critical path. So I'm just highlighting this particular path, that is 1 to 3, 3 to 4, this particular path 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6, and then 6 to 7. Okay, so this is our critical path. So even in exam also you need to highlight that particular path, so it indicates as critical path. Okay, and after finding out this, you have finished first two, that is network diagram. You have drawn the network diagram, and you have found out this critical path. Now you need to find out activity floats. For that, you need to draw that table that consisting of activity, duration, this table: activity, duration, est, eft, lft, lst, and then total float. Okay, just you draw the table. This is how exactly it will comes. Okay, can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, just you need to draw the table and just you find out. And by that time, okay. And here they have got only till by 6 to 7. And one more, I have drawn this. Here it is. Okay. This table is here. I have already prepared. Here, just 1 minute, look at the screen. So in the question, they have given only by here to here, that is 1 to 2, these all details they have already given. But here we have made it as 2 to 7 as a dummy activity and that duration consisting of 0, right? So that one also you need to add compulsorily because that also acts a major role while calculating the critical path activities. So you need to consider that path also, that is 2 to 7. If you skip that, again that part you are going to miss in the activity floats. Okay, so that is must, you need to add that one also. Okay, now you calculate it and tell me the answer so that I can write it directly here. So if you have not understood by now, just you can ask me those things again, I can re-explain, because if you do hesitate things and if you kept quiet, you are losing that. Yes, finished. So I will start this. So before that, we'll write the durations here for 1 to 2, it is 10. Till by that you can solve. If you got any way doubt, you can ask me. This is 1 to 2, 10. And 1 to 3, it is 20. And then 3 to 4, it is 8. Okay. And next 4 to 6, it is 10. And then 3 to 5, it is 12. And then 6 to 7, it is 8. I'm writing here 6 to 7, it is 8. And then 5 to 7, it is 6. Here I am writing this. Okay, and obviously this dummy activities duration will be 0. You are able to hear the my voice and slides, right? You can see the
Yes, sir.
slides that whatever I am solving.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So those who have not understood the first problem, just you can look at here. I will re-explain once again so that the things will get clear. So I am solving this problem now. So always this EST value at the starting or at the beginning part, it will be 0. Others you can solve yourself if you have understood thoroughly. And here, see here. This 0 plus 10, I can write directly here as 10 because it is ending at only one node. And here 0 plus 20, I'm writing 20 here directly. Okay, and then this 20 plus 8, I can write it as a 28 here. So this box belongs to node 4. Okay, and then this 20 plus 12, how much it is? 20 plus 12, it is 32. I'm writing here, and then will come on top arrow, that is 10 plus 0. I can write it as 10 separately because here you can see 1, 2, 3 different activities are joining at the end. So 3 different ESTs will come. Okay. So now 28 plus 10, it is 38. Okay. And 38 plus 8, it is 46. And last one, that is 32 plus 6, 38. So we got 3 different EST values here. In previous problem we got only 2, but here we got 3. Okay, so for that I am selecting the maximum one, that is 46, and I am fixing that one in the box, that is 46. Clear? Now the same values you are noting down here at the LFT box, that is 46. You need to select the maximum one among these 3. Clear? Now 46 minus 8, how much it is? 38. I am writing directly as 38 here because for this node only one activity is ending from the reverse. Now we are coming from the reverse order. Okay, and now 38, this 38 minus 10, it will become 28. Okay, and here 46 minus 6, how much it is? 40, right? So I am writing here 40. And here 28 minus 8, you can consider this path, not you should consider this 12. For 4 to 3, now we are coming in a reverse mode. So this 4 to 3, you can take 28 minus 8, it becomes 20. I am writing separately 20, and similarly 40 minus 12, it is 28. So LFT values, as I told, we need to consider the minimum value. We are coming in a reverse order, so we need to select the minimum values, and if it is a forward, then we need to consider the maximum values. This is EST and this is LFT. Clear? And now moving on to the next, we need to select the minimum one, that is 20. Okay, so now this 20 minus 20 will become 0, and here moving on to the top, 46 minus 0, it will become 46 only. Clear? 46 minus 0, 46. Now 46 minus 10, how much it is? 36. So in this 0 and 36, 0 is the minimum one. So I am going to consider this 0 as the final box. So you have filled all the boxes. Clear? It's understood? Those who have not understood by now, it's clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Now, just what you need to do, just you fill the values in the EST by using this network diagram. Okay, so for 1 to 2, what is the EST value?
0.
Very good. I will write 0 here. And for 1 to 3, from this diagram, what is EST value for 1 to 3?
0.
20.
Someone said 20. So make sure that you need to consider this path, that is 1 to 2. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, and you got box values here, that is 0, 0, and at the, sorry, this is 1 2 3, right? So 1 2 3. So this 1 2, for this 1 2 3, what is the box values? 20 and 20. Okay, so here you need to select this particular box value as est, that is 0. Clear? You're not supposed to use this 1 2 3. This one, this value will be the est, and this value will be the lft. Clear? Those who have done the mistakes, just make that clarifications now only, so that you won't repeat these things in the exam. Okay, so now for 1 to 3, est value will be 0. So I am noting down the same thing here. And now for 3 to 4, yes,
20.
yes, this is 3, this is 4. You need to consider these box values. You leave this. You just keep this. Only you need to consider the box values. So for this, I am selecting this value as est, that is 20. Okay, and for 4 to 6, this is 4,
28.
this is 6. This value is the est, that is 28. And for 3 to 5,
20.
3 to 5, 20. Very good. 3 to 5, it's 20. Next, for 6 to 7,
38.
very good. 6 to 7, it's 38. Then for 5 to 7,
32.
this is 5 and this is 7. You need to consider these two boxes. So 32 is the est value. This is 32. And here you need to consider, I told this dummy activity also you need to consider. So for 2 to 7, this is 2 and this is 7, that also having est value. So for this, what is the est value?
10.
Very good, 10. Okay, so it's understood now how to select the est value from the network diagram. Now just you add this one to the duration and you will get eft value, that is 10 plus 0 is 10, 20, 28,
38.
yes,
32.
32, 46, 38, and then at last 10. Okay, and moving on to the lft part. So for 1 to 2, what is the lft here? This is 1, this
46.
is 2, lft value 46, and then for 1 to 3, how much it is?
20.
20.
Very good, 20. And then for 3 to 4,
28.
3 to 4
28.
it is 28. And then for 4 to 6, this is 4, this is 6, 38.
38.
And then 3 to 5,
40.
40.
40. And then 6 to 7,
46.
46.
sorry, pardon, 6 to 7,
46. 46.
46.
40. Okay, 46. And then 5 to 7,
46.
46. And then 2 to 7,
46.
46.
46. Okay, just you deduct with the duration and you will get LST value. Okay. Now 46 minus 10, it is 36. Then 20 minus 20, it's 0. Just you cross check that I'm doing right or wrong. And then 28 minus 8, it is 20. 38 minus 10, 28. Then 40 minus 12, it's 28, and then 46 minus 8, it's 38, and then 46 minus 6, it is 40, and then 46 minus 0, it is 46. Okay, you have done till LST. Now you need to find out total float by using this or this. For this purpose, I am making two columns here. First, I am using this formula and I am writing here, and second, by using this formula, I am writing here. Okay. So now LST, first formula, that is LFT minus EFT. This minus this LFT minus EFT. 46 minus 10. How much it is? 36.
36. Then all 0.
36 next. 0,
0.
0.
0, 0. Then now
8,
8,
0.
0, 8, and then at
36.
last
36.
now use the second formula and just to cross check that whether you will get the same results as you will get for the first formula or not. Now it is how much? 36, that is LST minus EST. LST 36 minus EST. This value and this value. This minus this. 36 minus 0 will be 36, and then 0 minus 0 is 0, and then 20 minus 20 will be 0, and 28 minus 28 will be 0, and then 28 minus 20 will be 8, and then 38 minus 38 will be 0, and then 40 minus 32 will be 8, and then last one 46 minus 10 will be 36. See, you got same results at the end. So whatever you have calculated, it's correct. Here you got both values, you got same. So whatever you have done, that is correct. So understood how exactly we need to calculate these time estimates: EST, EFT, LFT, and LST. If you are having any doubts, you can ask. Yes, it's clear.
All clear, sir.
Yes, yes, thank you. Still, if you are having any doubts regarding putting these values, that is EST values and LFT values, how exactly we need to consider. However, this EFT value, just by using the formula you will write here, there is no problem in this. So only the thing is, while drawing the network diagram, addition, subtraction, maximum value and minimum value, still you are having any doubts, you can ask me personally so that I can clarify your doubts. Okay. Thank you. Just put your name and USN in the chat list. And for today, I'm going to give one assignment questions to you. So by the next class, you can solve it and you can share those things in the further classes. Okay. I will post that one in the WhatsApp group. You can refer that. Yes, kindly give the attendance and you can leave the class. You can discontinue this. Is everyone finished? Can I disconnect this call? Shashidhar, Abhishek, Vishwanath Madwar, just put your attendance and you can disconnect. Rohan Kattimani, Sagar, you can discontinue the session.